Today Steve will show you how to cook the perfect sautéed chicken hearts with garlic and herbs. Begin by cleaning the chicken hearts. Remove any fat or connective tissue, and then rinse them in cold water. Pat dry with paper towels. In a large skillet or pan, heat the olive oil or butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the chicken hearts to the skillet. Increase the heat to medium-high and sauté, stirring occasionally until they are browned on all sides, about 5 minutes. Pour in the white wine or chicken broth to deglaze the pan. This will help lift all the delicious flavors stuck to the pan. Add the chopped bell pepper, rosemary, or thyme, lemon zest, and red pepper flakes, if using. Stir to combine. Reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the skillet with a lid, and let the chicken hearts simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures they become tender. Season with salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to taste. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Serve the sautéed chicken hearts as an appetizer or main course with a side of mashed potatoes, rice, or crusty bread to soak up the delicious juices. This dish is rich in flavor, with the aromatic herbs and garlic complementing the unique taste of the chicken hearts. Enjoy your meal. Follow Steve for more AI Chef recipes.